this setup. We're gonna see what happens. You ready to bust an open jumper? You nervous? Me too. Oh yeah. I think they're facing the other way though. Three of them. I can't tell if that's him or not. It's just like deer hunting. You're just shooting at a deer pretty much. Calm down, buddy. Oh yeah, I see him. Calm down, Jeremy. You're doing good, but don't be moving, buddy. Don't be moving. They'll see you. On that gun. Put that bead right on his head. No, not yet. Don't move. He can't get over that far. Okay. He's got to come. Jeremy, stop moving, Bubba. Jeremy, you need to get your gun down on the head and leave it there. Get your head down on the gun and leave your head there. Yeah, I think just like that. Kill him right now. See? He's not in front of me yet. Here he comes. Just stay on that gun. Just keep your head on that gun, Bubba. How far is that, Dalton? Can you see him yet, Bubba? I can't see him. He's coming, Jeremy. Just stay right where you're at. There he is. Get on his head. Hold on, I'm not gonna cock it. If you're on his head, kill him.
Yeah, baby! Yeah, baby! Yeah, baby! Yeah, baby! Yes! Give us a knuckle, brother! Yes! Buddy, come on, Jeremy, come on! Yes, Bubby! Yeah! Yeah, Bubby! You did it, Bubby! You busted him, Jeremy! Come on! Yes! Oh, Bubby. Oh, I'm so proud of you. Oh.
Jeremy, come here, dude. Come here, buddy. Come here. Yeah! I'll pick your head up. Oh, Jeremy. You smoked him, dude. You smoked him.
That big old thing, Bubby. Look at him. What do you think, Bubby?
Here, just let him down. Jeremy, come here, dude. Come here.
No, in on the nose.
Feather. Oh, Bubby. Oh, Bubby.
Dad, what do you think about that? What do you think about that?
Ain't nothing better, is there?
Come here, Jeremy. Come here, dude. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Oh, man, I'm so proud of you. Woo, man, what a fun morning. What a fun morning.
Look at that. He was going to come up here and whoop on them decoys.
Oh, Jeremy. That thing was 20 yards, dude.
Oh, yeah. I know it. I knew, I could tell he just needed a little more to the right. Get his gun on it.
Old Bean Creek pulled him in. Woo!
What do you think, Bubby? Now, is that better than deer hunting? Yeah. That's a big gobbler, Jeremy. Look at them spurs.
Oh, man.
I mean big.
Oh, Jeremy, good job. I'm so proud of you, buddy. So proud of you.
And just like that, Bubby. See how it
Your turkey season is over, man.
I just had a gut feeling if we just stayed on this field.
That's why I kept sitting
I
here.
did. That old 410 did get some good work, didn't it? Did you see the beard on that thing?
Jeremy, you killed, your gobbler has a bigger beard than any turkey you ever killed.
Look at that big. I bet that's 12 inches.
Oh, he's pretty heavy too.
Yeah, he is. That's a big old.
You're going to have to get down there behind him and fan that tail fan out.
You shot some of it.
Hey, we don't care.
Come here, Bubby.
Oh my gosh. What an absolute amazing hunt.
People just don't understand it, I'm telling you.
Dude, that's got the longest beard I think I've ever seen.
I know it.
Sorry for the shakes, guys. It's
Shakes.
It's a real thing.
Yeah. Look at that, Bubby.
Get down there and grab that tail fan, buddy.
Tell Dawdaw what you think of him.
Ah, he's just flopping a little bit, buddy.
Hand down here and hold it out. See how I got my hand on that?
Move his wing.
Well, he's still kind of.
Yeah. Let him get done flopping. Whew.
I'm so proud of you. Oh, I'm proud of you, Bubby. Oh, you do so good. Look at his foot. There's why he's limping. Look at those toenails.
Holy cow.
He's a 4-year-old probably. 3 or 4-year-old. That's got a good spur on it. Look at that. That got a little excited, didn't he?
I don't think it was.
You
Just,
always say
I don't think it was just Dad.
There's your wad. It's all the way out here where the turkey's at.
This is when it's the worst for me. The shakes, man. After that shot, oh.
what is what?
That's what keeps your BBs in your shell.
I can't get up.
Hey.
Oh.
We need a different camera fan here, apparently. Oh, one thing about it, I've missed this deer, but you can't say I didn't miss his first gobbler.
I know it.
Hey, I love you.
Love you.
Give that all a big old hug.
Oh,
Got up
yeah.
at 4:30 this morning, dropped off at Willis.
I love you, man. That was amazing. I just happened to look down here and I
Well,
see
Aunt
that.
Norma said, she said that big tree and that big tree there is where they come out at into this field.
I just happened to look down there and there he was, just stretched up. I'm up here cutting the rug, making him laugh, and
Get my phone, we call Papa.
bring that gun with you too.
We need to write my name on this.
What do you think about that? We'll keep your shell and everything else.
Yeah.
That video's not over yet.
Here, you're gonna throw him over your shoulder. Just like this, ready? That's what you're gonna do. You're gonna bring him over like that and hold on to him right there.
Okay.
All right, you ready?
How can you?
Here, I'll put him on your shoulder. Nope, grab under the spurs. All right, you ready?
He's all yours. Take
He's
off.
all yours. Take off walking.
Towards the house. There you go.
Heavy.
Keep walking a little bit.
Keep walking just a little bit more.
Heavy.
Oh, he lost him.
What do you mean it's heavy?
All right, now the video's over.